Latest from SEBI, in fact, the market regulator is expected to prioritize the rollout of municipal bonds, and it has already consulted various municipal corporations in this regard. Remember, the Prime Minister had urged state governments to explore the option of raising funds through municipal bonds, also known as Muni bonds. In fact, Yash Jain joins us with the details from that story. Yash, what's the update?
Well, if you remember, the Prime Minister just last month had asked the various state municipal authorities to look at the option of raising funds through municipal bonds, and seems like the market regulator SEBI has taken that proposal very seriously and has in fact started working on the roadmap for the rollout of these municipal bonds. Now, what we are understanding from our sources is that SEBI just last week met the Urban Development Ministry and the Finance Ministry to discuss and decide the rollout of these municipal bonds. We also understand that the market regulator has already gotten in touch with a few state municipal authorities and in fact has received positive interest from 3 municipal authorities which include Vizag, Ahmedabad and Pune. So essentially these 3 municipal authorities are likely to come up and introduce their municipal bonds in the first phase of the rollout. We also understand that SEBI also discussed the whole criteria of rating for these municipal bonds, and more or less there is a consensus that these bonds will have a minimum rating or a minimum cutoff of A rating, which essentially means that no bonds will be introduced below A rating, at least in the first phase. So SEBI clearly trying to address every single aspect with respect to municipal bonds to ensure a time-bound execution and rollout of these instruments.